welcome to Royal Cyber's podcast. I myself, Samra Darakshan, and with me here is our guest speaker, Nijamudeen. So, today we are diving into the world of integration solutions and exploring the migration journey from IBM Integration Bus IIB to IBM App Connect Enterprise ACE. So, Nijam, can you please tell me about IIB to ACE migration?
Hi Samra, thanks for inviting me for this podcast. Yeah, many organizations are using IBM Integration Bus for the integration solutions and migration to the newer platform is always tricky, especially when dealing with different application servers and data forms. As IIB supports ending soon and the technology offers a neutral upgrade to App Connect Enterprise, which offers some fantastic innovations like flexible deployment options, whether it's on-premise through cloud packs for integration or as Docker containers. So Royal Cyber has developed an handy utility for IIB to ACE migration to make a transaction to breeze for everyone involved. This is accelerated developed by Royal Cyber team to fast track completions of ACE migration projects. It's very simple and powerful utility, which simplifies the whole migration process, resulting in huge productivity savings for the teams to tune the nearly 4 times. It comes to manage framework that provides an easy to use UI, an event log and handles all errors gracefully. It leverages IBM transformation advisors to provide you change recommendations and nice summary report that shows snapshots of that migration activity. You can see all the internet servers that are migrated successfully or failed during the migration, including details such error code or reasons for failure. Any changes needed to the source code to make it compatible with the new version of that ACE needs to be addressed manually.
Okay, so why IBM ACE is better? Why should people go with IBM ACE as an upgrade?
Well, it's about efficiency. ACE uses few resources like CPU, memory, and disk compared to IIB. Plus, it runs just one OS process, simplifying things a lot. ACE boosts development productivity with its intuitive tools and seamless user experience, while its AI-powered mapping assist feature simplifies mapping tasks. Test and DevOps automation capabilities accelerate larger practices and as an extensive catalog to pre-built connectors streamlines connectivity across systems. With enhanced visibility and control in hybrid cloud, cloud operations, along with the business transaction monitors, ACE empowers organizations to try the digital age. But that game changer is configuration management. In ACE, we have ditched those clunky config files for policies packed neatly into the bar file. No more reloading servers for changes. It's smoothly sailing all the way.
Can you please tell me how is this going to help customers during the migration journey?
Yeah, in migration, there are three main approaches. One is in-place migration, and second one is parallel migration, and third one is external migration. In-place migration, this involves replacing an existing installation with a new version in one go. Traditionally achieved using the MQ command, but not supported in ACE. There is a workaround, but it's risky, not recommended. In parallel migration, this is safer stage approach and where the old IAB servers continues running until the new ACE server are stable. Manual configuration is new server is needed and changes from that old servers must be carefully replicated to avoid instability into the deployed apps. In third external migration, combining aspects of both in-place and parallel migration. This approach involves extracting configurations and resources from old nodes to applying them to the newer version. This is done using commands like MQ backup broker and MQ extract components, ensuring that smooth migrations of both the integration nodes and individual.
Okay, so why is an automated approach preferred over manual in migration process?
Okay, when it comes to migration activities, there are two main approaches. One is manual, another one is automation. In manual approaches, all tasks are carried out manually, which is time consuming and prone to human errors. This method is not recommended, particularly in today's age of hyper automations. In other hand, automation offers more efficient solution, which automation some or other tasks are automated or semi-automated. Resources and configurations are extracted and moved to the destination system automatically based on the few input parameters. This significantly reduces the chances of errors and allows for faster project completions and time to market. Given these benefits, automation approach is highly recommended for migration activities.
That sounds great. Can you walk us through some of the key features of your utility?
The ITUAC utility simplifies the migration with one-click backups, streamlined node migration, and detailed reports. User can customize solution for specific nodes and queues. It supports both in-place and parallel migration, gathering to the diverse user needs.
Impressive. Now let's talk about the impact of this utility. How does it benefit organizations looking to migrate from IBM IIB to App Connect?
The I2AC utilities significantly reduce migrations time and effort, minimizing the downtime and disruption to business operations. It automates tasks and reduces human error, ensuring that smoother transition to App Connect. With the user-friendly GUI, it simplifies navigation and provides the real-time updates and seamless migration tracking. Detailed reports offer valuable insight, empowering informed decision making. It developed in Java. The platform ensures the platform independence and incorporates FTP functionalities for seamless backup operations.
Okay. Before we close, is there anything else you want listeners to know about your utility?
The I2S utility is user-centric, aiming to simplify migrations and empower organizations of all sizes. Transition seamlessly from IBM IFT to App Connect with confidence, unlocking new possibilities and driving innovations.
Okay. Thank you, Nijam, for sharing your insights with us today. That's all for today's episode. Thank you for joining us. Stay connected for more insightful discussion on latest technologies. This is Samra Darakshan signing off.
Thank you, Samra.